Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Verlinda from Make Money Online. Kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko, please click subscribe on my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for the video updates. So guys, yung pag-uusapan natin dito tungkol po sa Easify o Strong Future International Group. Ito po, nagano po ako sa inyo. Welcome and join my Easify team. So by the way, my name is Berlinda and I have been an Easify affiliate for over 9 years. The reason I'm with Easify is because they're the real deal, not somehow today, gone tomorrow scheme. Yesterday alone, 876 people from 112 different countries joined Easify, and since 1998, they've shown over 22 million men and women in more than 200 countries worldwide how to make money online. What makes Easify different? In short, Easify has something for everyone, which makes an online sales both lucrative and fun. Yes, as an Easify affiliate, you have over 100,000 goods and services to buy and sell, including products and more than 30 categories popular 24-hour Azure Zebra online games, money saving auctions, and more. They even take care of all orders, payment, shipping, and customer service for you. They also an interlocal vendor network, local Vansha, allowing you to tap into monthly ongoing commission just for referring people to local restaurants, grocery stores, gas station, and more. And because Easify provides such astounding training and tools, it doesn't matter if you have any experience in marketing or not. You simply plug into their powerful proven system and go to work. But the best part about Easify is that they're only scratching the surface of what they're likely to become during the next years. Their potential is off the charge, and that's why I invite you to join my Easify group today, free and with no obligation, and start sharing in the fun and profits. So sign up now or sign up free. So we are going to sign up. This is here. Join my Easify. Her signed up. This is a join free. Register for your free Easify affiliate account now. No obligation. Receive immediate access to the complete Easify program and start earning today. So fill up this form, your email address, first name, last name, choose password, confirm password, and country, and click sign up now. After that, kindly check your inbox, your email inbox, and just confirm to it. So this is my one more thing. My number one job in Easify is helping the affiliates that I sponsor become successful. When you join my team, know that in me you will have a committed partner and mentor, and that I stand ready to assist you in any way I can. So thank you, and I hope to hear you join my team soon. So this is Berlinda Darcy, proud Easify affiliate since November 19, 2013. So this is here also. By the way, I will be putting my affiliate link inside my description. Kindly click of that for directly to it for to register, free registration, and kindly you will be fill up that form. So this is my view, my achievements. Click this one. So this is one my achievements since 2013 until now. I have my achievements here and what others saying. This is here. Kindly read this one. Also, and more reasons to love Easify. This is one. So kindly read this one. By the way, again and again, I will be putting my affiliate link inside my description. So kindly fill up of that form, and you will be becoming an Easify affiliate marketing program. So guys, so I will read this one. So what others are seeing. Being born badly in the past, I researched SFI very carefully. What I found was the most well put together affiliate program I have ever seen. No program is perfect, but this one's darn close. The SFI program works. I cannot recommend any other affiliate program more strongly, and I don't think anyone good could go wrong with the superior training and support that EasyFi freely offers to their affiliates, and the products are great too. EasyFi works. I didn't think I could do anything like this, but I took that chance and have proven myself wrong. Wow, this program is the one that delivers everything they say and more. I spent almost a year looking for the right opportunity, then I found out about EasyFi. My search was over. EasyFi had everything. Was I was looking for quality products, training, a support system, and a genuine opportunity. This business has been a joy. I get paid for playing on the internet and helping others to do the same. I am constantly amazed at the power of EasyFi. This is truly exciting. And the best part is that it is free to sign up. So, more reasons to love EasyFi. Now, in 25th successful year, parent company is 39th year, can start earning money with ours. Uh, Ours, no experience necessary, retrain you free, start free, no obligation, no purchase requirements ever. A proven company that gets results every day. Thousands of SFI affiliates around the world earn commission every day. Debt-free company, fun, fast, modern program built for the internet compensation plan utilizes power infinitely the dynamic compression for maximum payouts, thousands of commissionable products, plus new products added daily. Earn money everywhere in over 200 countries worldwide. World-class 24/7 support and assistance. Start fast with our cutting-edge plug-in and go marketing tools and programs work from home, the comfort for your home, on your computer table or smartphone, or go mobile and take your business with your with you as you travel. So free customize for free for your website's personal one-on-one support available around the clock. We take care of all others payment, shipping, and customer service for you. Learn and earn at your own pace. Excellent long-term residual income potential. One of the fastest growing companies of its kind in the world today. World with fellow entrepreneurs from over the world from mutual success. So kindly join this one. Join free. Register for your free SFI account. SFI account, affiliate account now. No obligation to receive immediate access to the complete SFI program. Let's start earning today. So kindly fill up this form and click sign up now. So guys, this is on how to join my SFI. So kindly read this one or click or read inside the description below on how to to become an SFI affiliate program. So join my SFI team. So guys, that it is all about my video, and don't forget to click subscribe on my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for the video updates. So kindly watch this, and thank you for your watching, and bye for now.